Welcome back again everybody. I hope you are doing well, and today we will be learning an amazing card force which is created by Shin Lim and it is known as Slip Force. I have seen many magicians doing it in their act. Let's see how does it works. What you need to do, you need to remember the top card. In this case, it's the 10 of diamonds. And then you just riffle the deck and spectator calls out stop at any point, and the point that they call stop appears to be this card. Let's have a look. Right over here, and this card will be the 10 of diamonds.
Oh my god! Wow!
To start off this force, you need to remember the top card. In this case, it's the King of Hearts. Hold the deck in your left hand in Mechanic's grip, and then your index goes beneath the deck and gets curled at the middle, just like this. And now with the help of these three fingers and your index, you need to riffle the deck. As a notice, your index will apply a little bit of pressure so that it helps you to riffle the deck with the help of your thumb. Your index goes curled in beneath the deck at the center. With the help of these four fingers, your thumb riffle the deck. As the spectator calls out stop,
Stop!
right over here, then you can show this card to the spectator. In this case, it is the double backer. Let it remove. You can call again stop.
Stop!
Right over here.
Yeah!
Okay. And then what you need to do, these fingers apply pressure on this card, just like this. And your right hand comes and take away this packet, just like this. It happens like this. Now these three fingers apply the pressure on this card, and these cards remain here, and rest of the packet is stripped out. Let me show once again. Right over here, show this card to the spectator. These two fingers apply pressure, and this works like this. Let me turn this face up so that you can follow along. The spectator calls out stop.
Stop!
Right over here,
Yeah!
these three fingers apply pressure. Right hand comes and take away this packet, and this card remained here. And then you can just deal this card. So guys, this was the explanation of this force. I hope you enjoyed it.
Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment on the channel. How do you love our videos? Goodbye. Peace out.
And I will see you in the next video.